Welcome back to another episode, my friends. Today's news is absolutely wild. We are diving into Midjourney's brand new medical division, and honestly, this might be the strangest pivot in tech since a search engine decided to build self driving cars. So here's the deal. David Holes, the founder of Midjourney, stood on stage recently and announced something called Midjourney Medical. The goal, in his words, is to rethink healthcare from the ground up and change how people relate to their own bodies. And because Midjourney is one of the rare AI companies that's actually profitable without burning through investor cash, Hole says they can afford to chase a problem most frontier labs wouldn't bother with, making people healthier. Right now, if you want to see what's going on inside your body, your options are pretty ancient. There's the MRI, which is basically getting locked in a loud metal tube for an uncomfortably long time. There's the CT scan, faster, but it exposes you to radiation. And there's the DEXA scan, which mostly just exists to remind you that your diet has not been going great. All of these are expensive, slow to book, and buried under layers of referrals and insurance approval. Midjourney's answer is a new imaging device they're calling ultrasonic CT. The idea is simple. You step onto a platform, sink slowly into a pool of warm water, and pass through a ring packed with an enormous number of tiny sensors, each one smaller than a grain of rice. These sensors fire ultrasonic pulses through your body at an incredibly fast rate and listen for how the sound bounces back. That returning data is messy and chaotic, but making sense of noisy, ambiguous signals happens to be exactly what an image generation company has spent years getting good at. The result, they claim, looks a lot like a traditional MRI image, but captured in a fraction of the time and without the claustrophobic tube. And because the whole process is just water, sound, and a short amount of your time, Midjourney wants scanning to become something people do casually and often, not something they dread. Which brings us to the wildest part of the announcement, Midjourney Spa. Picture a massive wellness space in San Francisco, complete with hot tubs, saunas, cold plunges, and softly lit pools that quietly scan your body while you relax. The pitch is that you show up to unwind, and a full body scan just happens in the background as a bonus. And if you're enjoying breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. I'm uploading daily, so you won't miss where this story goes next. Now, doctors have some real concerns. Ultrasound works great on soft tissue near the surface, like the kidneys or the thyroid, but sound waves simply cannot travel through air or bone. That means lungs and the brain are mostly out of reach, no matter how good the software gets. The technology is also very early. The lightning fast scan they are promising is still a future goal. Today's prototype takes a long while to complete a single scan and has no regulatory clearance yet. So for now, it can only legally report basic body composition, nothing diagnostic. The roadmap is a slow build. Refine the hardware, run clinical trials, open a research-focused spa first, then work toward regulatory approval piece by piece while developing a next-generation scanner. Eventually, the plan is to scale up a large fleet of these machines so routine scanning could reach a meaningful share of the global population. So no, this isn't about to revolutionize healthcare overnight, and the skepticism from doctors is fair. But after watching so many AI companies chase abstract goals, there's something genuinely interesting about one aiming squarely at your physical health instead. That's the video. Subscribe for daily uploads, and I'll catch you in the next one.